Hey there! Today, we're tackling an interesting problem that revolves around potential undefined behavior in C++. The problem at hand involves passing a pointer to a streambuf object whose lifetime has not yet begun to the constructor of an ostream object. The question is whether this constitutes undefined behavior in the programming world. Let's dive into the solution for this dilemma. The key aspect to consider here is that by referring to a base class object, in this case std streambuf, before its constructor has executed, we are treading into undefined behavior territory. This principle essentially dictates that we should avoid such references until the object is fully constructed, regardless of what happens within the ostream constructor. In summary, it's crucial to steer clear of referencing non-static members or base classes of an object before its constructor has completed execution to avoid undefined behavior. It's vital to prioritize proper object construction sequences in your C++ code to maintain adherence to best practices and avoid potential pitfalls. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of this intriguing problem. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious, keep coding, and until next time.